Once upon a time, a beautiful planet was created. People were living in harmony with nature. The air was clean, the rivers were pure, and the forests were full of life. But suddenly, a huge change came around. Comparing the Earth of 90s and the Earth of 20s, there is a huge difference. I'll not be able to explain it very well, so let me introduce you to the Earth of 90s and the Earth of 20s.
पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में।
मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ।
Who's this man coughing around here?
Oh, hello. I'm the Earth of 20s, the smartest.
Se acabó.
You call it smartness? Covered with pollution, smoke, harmful gases. Look at me. I'm so green with pure atmosphere and happiness all around.
Emotional damage.
You don't believe me? Let me show you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope the forest land is cleared for the big contract that we got yesterday.
Yeah, sir. It's done.
Oh wow, the work has been done faster than my expectations. So let's go and visit the site.
Sir, you know how much hard work I have put into this project. I will get my profit now.
While visiting the site, the boss was really happy about the contract, but he didn't know about the consequences.
Can you see the development in me? I am so progressive.
Do you think it is progressive? It's just destructive. You showed me the present, now let me show you your future. I'm not able to breathe, Mama. I don't feel like alive.
Don't say like this, child. I myself feel helpless. The past generation has never thought about the future.
Try not to be over smart, because if the smartness flows out, there could be a problem.
I am so dumb, calling myself the smartest.
No, you're not dumb. The people who are doing this are the ones who are dumb.
We just have the problem, but we need a solution also.
Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me.
ಮೋಡ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲೆಗಳ ರೀತಿ, ತೇಲೋಣ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರೋಣ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಿ, ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗೋಣ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಧ್ವನಿಯು ಕೇಳು, ದಟ್ಟವಾದ ಮಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಬೆಳಕು, ನಡೆಯದೇ ಇರುವ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ನಡೆಯುವೆ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುವೆ, ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ,